You're here because you want your home to have more fresh air without the bugs. You also don't like screen doors. The simple answer is a retractable screen door, but there are so many of them out there. Finding the right fit for your needs, measure your doorway. Accurate measurements are essential for a perfect fit. Some systems are limited in size. Consider your budget. Better quality screens are a little more costly than traditional screen doors. Read reviews. Check online reviews to get insights into product quality and customer experiences. Beyond that, there are still massive differences in quality and looks of professional grade products. Some screens like Casper are much thinner and lightweight. The most familiar name in this space is Phantom screens. They have a large network and a high-quality screen door. The highest quality and best value, however, is Apollo, often slightly less expensive than Phantom. Apollo also features a modern design and are significantly smoother to operate. They don't snap back. Don't take our word for it. Watch some more videos. We have hundreds. Read our 5-star reviews all across the country. And then give us a call. Apollo Screen and Shade. Don't forget to subscribe.